What's going on YouTube, man? Welcome back to the 2H2O channel. It's your boy, Woo!
And I'm JP.
We'll be back with another reaction video.
Another one, man. It's David Dobrik's. The funty, to say the least.
That'd be funny. That last one was fun.
Yeah. I feel like this one gonna be funny too. It's by the title of the
video. By the title. As you can see by the title of this video. The title of this video is How to Hack a Vending Machine.
We should try it after we watch it.
You wanna try it?
Yeah, we should try it after we watch it. We'll try it. I don't know what he about to do, but
I feel like it has to be a catch to it, bro.
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out.
Make sure y'all like this video up, man.
Turn on post notice.
Tell a friend, tell a friend.
Come subscribe and turn out with us.
You feel me?
Let's get right to this video, man. No more talking. How to hack any vending machine.
Any.
So we can work using any. Oh, I bet. We gonna see. Screen recording starting now. I feel like it's about to be some stupid shit, bro.
By the time we go to the hospital, bro.
I know. We go to the hospital. What?
Are you checking yourself out?
Scared the shit out of me.
It's been a long time, but long enough to see yourself checking yourself out. I'm actually really smart.
No, her shirt says I'm actually really smart.
Bro, the most crazy shit just happened to me.
What?
I'm over here chilling by the crosswalk and shit. This nigga yells out the car, "Hey yo, if you let me suck your dick, I'll give you a bag of Cheetos." I'm like, nigga, what the fuck? This nigga's on some other shit, bro.
A bag of Cheetos,
Where was
bro.
this?
Nigga over there.
A bag.
Do you like free stuff? You do? Good! Today I'm going to show you how to get snacks from a vending machine for free. Right here's the vending machine. I'm going to push up on this, cover a sensor with my right hand, and I'm going to press G, F, 11, 12, 14. Push for money return twice. 1, 2. And then I'm going to fucking...
I'm about to say, bro. Hold up.
Bro, I knew it.
Bro, he was doing too much. I was like, hold up. No, there's no way.
It sounded good. He said, well, hold this up, cover the
Where's
sensor.
sensor?
I said, oh, all right, this shit sounds interesting. And then he was just pushing numbers. I'm like, hold on.
No, look, because I thought he was really, when he was doing it, I was like, oh, why are we getting somewhere? When he said, press the money return twice, I said, this nigga full of shit. That's when he lost me. Because I was like, yo, that's way too much, bro. That's way too much. It sounded good as hell at the beginning.
Yo, that was convincing as hell. That's the crazy part.
I was in it too. I was like, a word.
Well, all right, I'm going to try this out.
Yo, that's funny. Soon as he said push the thing twice, I was like, oh, it's over. That's full of shit.
My boy smashed the glass.
That, man, listen.
Ask these guys with the black and white cars.
Do you
guys have any drugs on you? Oh! Back up, baby, back up! Fucking crazy. I can't believe you said that to the crowd. I can't believe you get arrested for that shit. Why? You get arrested for that shit. Why are you telling me you have two fucking personalities? Then goes, you guys have any drugs? And then he turns to me and goes, you know you can get arrested for that shit.
He told them back up.
Someone put this on my car and I want to honor their wish. They said, "Hi David and friends, we love you so much. Please put me in your vlog." This is from
Susie.
She lit.
Hi, Susie. How are you doing?
Susie's pretty funny because also on the back she wrote, "Also, I'm a broke bitch. Please pay my tuition." So, Susie, Bumble and I want to give you a check for $15,000.
Bumble? What's up, Bumble?
What's good? Hey.
This is David Blaine. David Blaine
Oh, not him again.
Steve-O and Harry
Hold
Potter
on,
together.
Not him again.
I got to mentally prepare for whatever
Not
he
him
about to
again.
do. Whatever he about to do.
Because y'all seen that last video here when he spit that frog out of his mouth.
Okay. You ready?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm mentally prepared right now. You ready?
Yeah, as long as ain't no snakes, we good.
David's also a professional endurance artist and performer. He was pretty skeptical of my dart throwing capabilities, so he came by the house to see them for himself.
The video with the darts is real?
Yes, 100%.
Okay, you want me to throw it at you?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, here we go.
Should I try again?
man.
Oh, I believe.
Yeah, that's
Convincing
lit.
David that it wasn't some camera trick. I was also curious as to whether or not his stunts were camera.
I remember that.
You said that you're skeptical. I'm super skeptical.
I think everything you do on television is a little bit
Like, that I control it.
A little bit
That's
fabricated.
why I came here.
Okay.
Now, this ice pick, I made it see-through, so you know I'm not cheating. See, so now we're gonna have fun. This is interesting. I should warn you that this next part gets pretty intense. So if you have a weak stomach, please stop the video now. And I want you to just pick a place. No, but just walk up. Yeah, just pick a place.
No.
Ah, no,
It's real. Go in there. Yeah, go. Push.
Shut up!
no.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bro, he just.
Ah,
No! I'm about to pay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look, nothing. No blood. Nothing. That's why I wasn't worried.
I think I'm dreaming.
He's done with it.
Fucking nuts.
Damn, the vlog after this vlog's gonna suck. Welcome to Vlog Squad. Bro, get the fuck out of here. Guys, David Blaine just left and the power went out.
That had creeped the hell out.
Outside your house. Oh my god! David, where the fuck are you? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck is going on?
Yeah, that's creepy as shit, bro. I'd have left.
Wait, stab me in the fucking arm.
That is creepy though. That would.
We should be here in 10 minutes. So I have just enough time to get out of here.
he said the police will be here in 10 minutes.
Listen,
Bro, David Blaine is that dude, bro.
that'd creep me out though. If he left and the power goes out, and then I hit a damn bottle and it lands
Hard
on
off
the table.
and it just land, didn't slide off the table.
Yeah, bro, I'm leaving the house tonight. I'm leaving that house. I'm out. I'm out. At least for the night. I'm out. I'm out, bro. I don't know what.
Ah, bro, he.
And not only did he do himself, like he had.
David do it. He stuck it in the camera on the other side. He pulled it out. And okay, that was a little red pinch right there.
No blood, bro. How? Listen, let's ask the certified licensed phlebotomist. Hey, babe. So if you poke somebody in the bicep with a needle of any size, are they gonna bleed?
Yeah.
If you go all the way through
To the other side.
and pull it out, are they gonna bleed?
The how? He ain't bleed.
Oh no.
I'm lost for words.
This nigga's not human.
He's not, bro.
Can't be. What you think is in? If he don't bleed, what you think is in there?
Bro, he had a frog in his stomach. Like what? Bro, nothing surprises me. I don't know why I'm so surprised. I don't know, man. That's gonna do it for that video. Let us know what y'all think about that video.
Yeah, man.
Like this video up if y'all enjoyed it.
Comment, post notices, all that good stuff.
Turn and post notices on, comment down below any other suggested videos, and tell a friend, come subscribe, come turn out with us. And we're gonna check out the next one, man. Peace!